You reach work before everybody else. You barely stopped moving all day. You answered messages, helped coworkers, handled customers, solved problems, stayed late. Then you got home and realized the thing you actually needed to get done still wasn't finished. And somehow you're the one feeling guilty. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. A lot of workers are busy from morning to evening, but they're getting less done than ever. For many workers, the workday starts before work even begins. You're already thinking about bills, rent, gas, school expenses, something at home that still needs attention. Then you reach work and the pressure starts immediately. Someone needs help, a customer is waiting, a machine isn't working, a deadline suddenly moves forward. Your phone keeps going off. Before you know it, half the day is gone. You haven't stopped moving, but your mind feels scattered. By lunchtime, you're tired, not because you have done too much, because you have been pulled in too many directions. This is where the trap starts. Most workers don't lose productivity because they're lazy. They lose productivity because they're constantly reacting. Every notification feels urgent. Every request feels important. Every interruption demands attention. So instead of controlling the day starts controlling you. Over time, your brain adapts to constant interruption. Focusing becomes harder. Thinking clearly becomes harder. Even simple tasks start feeling heavier than they should. Many workers think they're struggling with motivation. Sometimes they're actually struggling with overload. At first, the effects are subtle. You forget small things. You reread the same email twice. You start one task, then switch to another, then another, then another. By the end of the day, you have been busy the entire time, yet nothing feels complete. That creates frustration because you're putting in effort, you're showing up, you're trying, but the results don't seem to match the energy you're spending. After a while, the pressure starts following you home. You sit down to relax, but your mind keeps replaying work. You remember unfinished tasks, things you forgot, problems waiting for you tomorrow. The body leaves work, the mind doesn't. And that's when exhaustion starts building quietly. Many workers think burnout comes from working too hard. Sometimes it comes from carrying too many unfinished thoughts for too long. The answer usually isn't working harder. Most workers are already doing that. Instead, start paying attention to what's constantly breaking your focus. What's pulling your attention away every hour? What's creating mental clutter? Because productivity problems often begin as attention problems, and attention is easier to fix than motivation. Try something simple this week. At the start of your day, choose the three most important things that need to be completed. Not everything, just the three that matter most. Write them down, keep them visible. When the day starts getting chaotic, come back to that list. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is having something to return to when everything starts competing for your attention. Most workers don't need a complicated productivity system. They need a simple way to separate what's important from what's merely urgent. When everything gets treated the same, stress increases. When priorities become clearer, work usually feels more manageable. This is what many workers quietly struggle with, not effort, clarity. In many workplaces, the busiest employees isn't always the most productive one. If you have been feeling exhausted at the end of every workday, it doesn't automatically mean you're doing something wrong. Sometimes you're simply carrying too much mental traffic, too much interruptions, too many demands, too many things competing for your attention at the same time. Being busy can feel productive, but constant busyness often hides the real problem: lack of focus, lack of control, lack of breathing room. When workers regain clarity, productivity usually improves naturally, not because they're working harder, because they're working with less mental pressure. In the next video, why workers burn out faster when money is tight, we'll look at the connection between financial pressure, emotional exhaustion, and why money stress often shows up at work before people recognize it. Follow Work Smart Jamaica for practical workplace and money insights built around real Caribbean working life. Most workplaces never explain these patterns properly. That's why Work Smart Jamaica exists. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.